Molte le terapie innovative presentate in occasione del congresso ISIAT di Roma, fra queste l'impiego degli inibitori dell'interleuchina 1, di cui ha parlato un grande esperto, il professor Chevalier, con il quale abbiamo affrontato questi temi.
Professor Chevalier, first of all, which is your comment about the ISIAT Congress?
So I think it's a great initiative from Professor Henri, because this is the first World Congress on this very peculiar topics on intra-articular injection. So it's a great initiative and a great congress, and we can say that it's a success congress.
Here you gave a very interesting lecture regarding the use of the clinical experience regarding interleukin-1 inhibitor in osteoarthritis. Which are the data?
Well, it's very interesting to focus on IL-1 because IL-1 play a major role in osteoarthritis. So the idea was to block IL-1, and we have made 2 clinical studies with an inhibitor of IL-1, anakinra. And the most important was a placebo randomized trial, and unfortunately it fails because we were not able to find any difference between anakinra and placebo at month 1. But the study is probably not finished with IL-1 blockade because we find some good results at day 4, and I've also shown that there is 2 small studies with IL-1 which are quite promising. So just to take the message that it is certainly very interesting to block IL-1, and right now it's a question of resident time and to find the good inhibitor of IL-1.
Yeah, because there are also other interleukin-1 inhibitors, for example, canakinumab. Are you planning to study also these drugs?
Well, there is an ongoing trial right now with canakinumab, and the advantage of canakinumab is a longer half-life, about 3 weeks. So the global idea is to go to inhibitor of IL-1 with a longer resident time into the joint.
So if it works, it will show it works.
Yes, we hope. We hope.
Okay, here you were also chairman in a very interesting session in which have been presented the use of interarticular prodronate and morphine derivatives. Which is your comment about these 2 substances?
Well, it was some kind of iconoclast session because we use morphine, prodronate, and also capsaicin, which are quite unusual. But it was very interesting because our idea to find something that decreases the pain by intra-articular injection is very promising. But right now, for all this very unusual way, the problem is really to go further than the placebo effect. So, as you have probably heard, the prodronate study is now ongoing with a randomized placebo-controlled trial. The morphine trial within temporal mandibular joint is very interesting. So it's quite interesting to see that there is a lot of new pathway, new ways and avenue to look for efficacy by intra-articular injection.
Looking forward to the next ISIAT Congress to have the new data.
Yes, we hope.